Hello everyone, welcome back to Sawdust and Circuits. Today we're trying to solve a problem most of us have. Space is a luxury. So the big question is, how do you get quality sound without breaking the bank? That's where this project started. When I'm digging through thrift stores, one thing I constantly see is old stereo gear, especially speakers, and more often than not, you'll find something interesting from a well-known brand, but only one speaker. Now that could be a problem, or it could be an opportunity. A lot of small Bluetooth speakers are mono anyway, and usually the rule is the more you pay, the more you get. But today, let's see if we can break that rule. The goal is a great sounding compact system for under $30. Impossible? Maybe. Let's find out. For the amp, I'm using the ZK1002T. It's actually a stereo amp, but for this build, I'm just running one channel. These usually sell between $19 and $25, depending on where you find them. For the speaker, I scored this NHT SC1 center channel at a thrift store for just $5. If you're not familiar with NHT, definitely look them up. They make seriously good speakers. To tie everything together, I designed a 3D printed enclosure that keeps things clean and compact. Here's the fun part. This build doesn't even use screws. The amp drops in, the feet snap on, and those same feet act as clips to hold the entire enclosure together. Clean, simple, and very workshop friendly. Once everything's wired up, we're ready for the moment of truth. I did end up having to cut the rear for the wire clearance. The design just wasn't going to work. I'll fix that later. This is prototyping after all. Let's test it. For something built from thrift store parts and a budget amp, this thing honestly surprised me. So now I want to hear from you. What would you have done differently? Would you have used different speakers or a different amp? Let me know in the comments. I read every one. If you've enjoyed this compact, budget-friendly build, hit that like button. It really helps the channel. And if you want more projects like this, mixing thrift finds, 3D printing, and electronics, subscribe to Sawdust and Circuits, because we have a lot more coming. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.